Kumba ka perthai borok ka wei ka rakhi ya ka World Environment Day ka tah ka santre ujeliu arja arpusau na kaliang ka office jong Divisional Soil and Water Conservation Nongstan haringkat bat ka Project Manager District Watershed Shell Kam Data Center West Khasi Hills District kala rakhi ya ka ni ka sngi halor ka phang padang land restoration, desertification and drought resilience. Hagajuk opor kala yok ban pliru yak program restoration of degraded land and water sources conservation. Nakabenta ka West Khasi Hills District but East and West Khasi Hills District haga Jingheh lang ka balapan long hawat liu long LP School Mount Hatrashan CNRD block. Hakani ka Jingheh lang u Commissioner but Secretary jong Ketenat Soil and Water Conservation ka Sarkar Jilla u Joram Beda ulawan banyadon lang kumukongsan haringkat ka Jingwan Senran lang u DC ka East and West Khasi Hills District uba Gideon Kyrwoh Plang ka Director Soil Water Conservation ka Kong Iron Ja kiwede ki officer Sarkar na Ketenat Trekam baper jong ka West Khasi Hills but East and West Khasi Hills District ki balawan ban sakhi lang lembat kiwe u kongsan habakran hakani ka Jingheh lang uloong maka Jilla Meghalaya ka long ka Baruspa haka Jingbon ka Khandau ka bat ki dieng ki siet Henry ki mat bon ki Jingheh ha ka bayadai bat ka Jingtor Khong ka Khandau namar ka Jingshah pom ki dieng bat ki wei ki bala bo Jingmaya ka Mariang.
Meghalaya, though it's very rich in biodiversity, we have constant land use changes, land degradation caused by extensive agriculture and deforestation and unmanaged urbanization. These factors are causing a lot of challenges to the existing structure in the state. Globally, it's said that about 1 football field equivalent of soil is degraded in every 5 seconds. Though in Meghalaya we have not sort of accounted for it in a scientific manner, but NISAC and many institutions have already carried out piecemeal studies in which it is an established fact that Meghalaya also suffers from severe soil degradation. As a result, I am told by many of the divisional officers that in many parts of Meghalaya, especially in the Khasi Jingheh Hills, though we want to do afforestation, there is no surface soil. So that is one of the very important factors that is holding us back from going for a very massive afforestation, which is the need of the hour. Well, I would like to go on and on, but my predecessor speakers have already spoken in detail, so I'll keep my speech very short, and I feel that instead of speaking too much, we should act, and that is the message that we should all take from today's program.
So I just want to share a short experience about my experience in the field. You know, a few years back when I was in public health engineering, Shillong Peak, what the Khasis call is the source of that, the water, which they call it Khandai Undi, Khandai Utta means the nine Khandai means it's like a big number in Khasi, a generalized kind of number. So it's a main source of many of the sources of water of Khasi Hills. So what happened is, in that year, one day early in the morning, my field staff came to me and said, "Sir, the water sources from that Shillong Peak catchment area has all dried up." It has really shocked me, and I had to go immediately and visit the place and to face the reality that all the water sources from Shillong Peak has dried up.
Hakani ka juk kasngi na kaliang ka Dompeng Church of God LP School Maulangreng haringkat ka balang ublay Meghalaya na sa Maulangren ka Madan ha Mount Hatrashan CNRD block East and West Khasi Hills District kala rakhi ya kani kasngi da ka program tungding ha ka Jingheh don lang u Additional Deputy Commissioner ka East and West Khasi Hills District but video ka Mount Hatrashan block.
Shillong Maulangren kani ka Shillong ka ba internet ka baladan ya na ka jongka ka map ka history jongka tourism. Roha kia tip bakalong kecaka ke internet men step man wan bit pengat ya kilo ya ka sunrise ya ka jingmi jong kasngi di piladan lupa akan thop jong kamap pidai pat nang hikai shu ban penjanai ban kam benya ban kam internet kan kam wonder lang balong lang kiwi jaka district pada state ke jongi di program beda ki nabi kan sulur ban klan dan je Mariang dan je Gideon di ngeselmen bah kanan ban iyo ka kubur ka khlain ka khrau ha na ka bentang Ini kawan environment di tengah tadi sibuk berkeran ke sibuk di Jakarta kita ham syara kita ham di dalam pan permission lagi try Jakarta ini try loan benda yang kita cuci kan kawan ham jangan sih dengan kerana dalam ni cakap kita bakal komiti kan managing komiti kan nanti dalam kawan jangan bahan atau bahkan jangan ini yang kita bakal dikasih masa program dan yang walaupun hapan ni nomor kita ke program kita office ini kan video tentang ke Jingshah company bahkan jangan lah iyo jadi kita department manager di ke school menyerap ke school maka naksan dari babu kiri tangi ke leadership
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habatiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka batau bha. Kam kata ikadur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy bakongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba Madan ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya